Buongiorno! I couldn't be more excited. This trip is extra special because it's for my birthday. In fact, today is my birthday. And I couldn't be more excited to celebrate by exploring this beautiful country starting here in Florence. There's so much more to see and do, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Let's get the celebration started. Good morning, everybody. We are out and about already. It is about 8:45 in the morning. We had a quick breakfast at the hotel, and we are now on our way to the Galleria dell'Accademia. Excited! It is so exciting to be inside the museum. I don't remember if I did visit here before. It's been so long ago since I've been in Florence, but it's so overwhelming to be here in the presence of such masterpieces. And it's also very overwhelming to be with a whole bunch of crowd at 9 o'clock in the morning. But I will take the time to appreciate David. Your impression?
It's good. I like it. looking at him from the back.
Just good. It is so, I don't know, you're just in awe. Just in awe. So we tried to get inside the church, and I read somewhere that the entrance was free. It is not free. There are 3 entrances: the north, the west and main facade. Darwin and I got in line on the side entrances and thinking that it was free. Once we got closer to the door or into the entrance itself, we found out that tickets were required. Wah, wah, wah. Happy birthday to with their house wine. And their fries. These are actual potatoes, like potatoes. Fresh potatoes. Lovely dash of salt. I love it. I finally got my wine window drink here at Piazza dei Peruzzi. I'm having a limoncello spritz. It's pretty good, but dang, it is strong. So far, it has been a lovely day and a day full of overwhelming art. I finally saw art by Cimabue and Giotto that I've only studied back in high school. High school! That was way long ago. And of course, Michelangelo's David, the unbelievable genius. For me, even though everything that we see here or are going to see are religious art, I don't look at them or consider them as being religious for religion's sake. I am a fan of the artist and their genius because we do have to take into consideration the period and the sponsors of these art, which is why they're all based on religion. We were blessed with a beautiful day today, so we're gonna go ahead and keep on exploring after I make a dent on this drink. Masarap, no? Masarap.
Buonasera. Oh, buonasera. Fabio? Sì,
From which region?
Back at the hotel at a decent hour. Well, it's around 9 p.m. I had a good birthday dinner. I had another set of noodles and some salad, something a little lighter this time than last night's dinner, or even compared to our lunch today. And for my birthday cake, I had tiramisu. I actually had planned for 2 dinner locations. I don't remember why I did that, but it's a good thing that I did because the first restaurant only accepted reservations. It was a really small restaurant, which was understandable. And then the second one was kind enough to take us in as walk-ins, so thank you to them. And it turned out to be a good dinner. So my overall birthday celebration turned out to be a lovely day. The sun was out. It was about around noon. It reached about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. And we actually got through all the sites and all the activities that we wanted to do today and then some actually. That's why for tomorrow we're sort of short on what we're going to do because we sort of took pieces of what we were supposed to do tomorrow and went ahead and did it today because they were all in the same area. We have a lot more activities to come, a lot more days to go on this trip. So join us on those. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. From my mind side to yours, grazie mille.